out there. Hope you guys are having a super good day, night, week, whatever is going on for you. I hope it's going super, super good. Anywho, if you guys can tell from that title above, we are here today to talk about my weave, y'all. Yes, y'all, my weave. So, okay, let's get into this bad puppy right here. Well, it is the Vanessa brand Knobby 28-inch Super Weave Remy Performance style. It is a synthetic blend, and it is in the style Cove 28-inch. It was a 6-pack solution. It came in a 22, 24, 26, and 28 with the low hand tie bang pieces. And this is what she looked like on the package. If y'all don't know, this is a full quick weave. There is no closure, no middle part, no anything. It is a full quick weave. I just preferred it that way. I wore this hair on my birthday. I have had this hair for about 8 months, 8-9 months now. Then I actually got mine in the color SP427, and I actually picked this hair up from Sam's Beauty Supply online. If you guys don't know about Sam's Beauty Supply online, I will try to link it down below. But I believe, if I'm not mistaken, don't quote me, girl, okay? Because I didn't check the prices or whatever. But I actually picked this hair up for, I believe it was about $17.99. It was on sale. I ended up personally getting 2 packs of this, and I'm going to get into why. Like, let me show you. Like, these wefts are super thin, which sometimes can be an awesome thing, but sometimes can be really bad when you're trying to make a wig. And if you only get a 6-piece pack like this, it can tend to have gapping. Like, girl, no matter how you make your wig or what you do, you're just going to have gapping because the wefts are so thin. So I'm just going to brush it out a little bit for you. But do you see how it even just brushes out so easy? What it wants to do is it wants to go into this soft beach wave that, honestly, if you wanted to wear it like this, all you'd have to do is put some water and some styling mousse in, and you'd be good to go. But this hair can take heat, because clearly I pressed it out myself, and I have also body curled it too. Body waved it, sis. Let me calm down. As far as shedding goes, it's a typical amount of hair that sheds out. I made my wig with a hot glue gun, so I don't get that much shedding, but I did cut my wefts. And yeah, as far as like luster and shine in the hair, of course it's synthetic, so I added oil sheen and things like that. Over time, I have washed this wig and all. And yeah, but if you can't see, like, do you see that? Do you see that shine, that flow? Do you see those ends? Girl, yes, yeah. It is very, very, very long. It's not even getting in frame. I am only 5'6" and a quarter, because the quarter counts. And this hair comes down to in between my butt crack, just below it. It's kind of ridiculous. It's not the best synthetic hair, but it's not the worst. I will say, because it is so long, it does tangle. But that's going to happen with any hair. Synthetic hair, virgin hair, Remy hair, girl, I don't care. The longer it is, the more it's prone to tangle. I just know how to really maintain my synthetic hair, so I'm able to not have as much tangling. Also, I did have to buy 2 packs of this hair. And the reason why I bought 2 packs of this hair is because they be skimping on synthetic hair now, whatever, girl. They be trying to be cheap. So I want to ensure that my hair was full, so I went on ahead and got 2 packs. Do I recommend this hair for long time use or long time wear? Yes and no. I recommend it for a good cheap wig for when you need to go out somewhere and you need to look snatched and laid, and you're not going to be like touching and whipping through your hair all night. But do I recommend all of this for every day? Absolutely not. So this is a good little, you know, I think now it might be back up to regular price of $23. Girl, go get you some over at Sam's Beauty Supply. And yeah, I really love this. The Vanessa brand Cove is a banger. It is a banger. Also, drop me a comment down below letting me know if you guys have ever tried this hair or ever shopped on Sam's Beauty Supply. And yeah, I think I'm about to go. So yeah, just go ahead and like this video, girl, if you want to. Drop me a comment. And if you feel it in your heart and soul, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, girl, because I'm coming back. I'm coming back. Okay, you see all that swing? I'm coming back with lots of synthetic hair just to show you how to save a coin, girl. So I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye. And remember, you're all high society.